I wanted a beanie that actually matches the cowl that I've knitted, and I've done it. This is the most divine beanie I actually have. I particularly like the reverse stocking stitch, and the pattern is beautiful, easy and quick. It looks beautiful on. Using a 10-ply yarn or an Aran weighted yarn and size 5mm needles, you'll have this knitted in no time at all. Start with 8 rows of our band, which is 1 knit, 1 purl, to give that lovely rib at the bottom. This is the right side of your beanie, and the inside, or the wrong side, is the purl side and our stocking stitch. The pattern comprises 4 rows. It's simply knit 13, purl 17, knit 13, and you do that for 2 rows, and our pattern is on the 3rd row, where you knit 4 stitches together, yarn forward, knit 1, and you finish off with a knit 4 stitches together. Once you've knitted 14 centimeters of the pattern, and of course you have your band, it's time to decrease the top of your beanie. When we're decreasing, we purl 1, purl 2 together, purl 1, purl 2, and on our knit, our pattern, we knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, knit 2. And we keep decreasing until we have about 26 stitches on our needle, and then we gently pull tight and pull it through. I hope you enjoy knitting this beanie as much as I have. It's quick, easy, and looks absolutely divine with the cowl. The cowl and the beanie. What a beautiful combination. Rows 1, 2, and 4. Purl 17, and this creates our reverse stocking stitch. Knit 13, and that completes our pattern for rows 1, 2, and 4. Purl 17, knit 13. Row number 3, knit 4 stitches together, yarn forward and towards you, knit 1, yarn forward, knit 2, yarn forward, knit 3, yarn forward, knit 4, yarn forward, knit 5, yarn forward, knit 4 stitches together, purl 17. And that completes the pattern for row number 3. Continue all the way around. Once you've knitted 14 centimeters of the pattern, and of course you have your band, it's time to decrease the top of your beanie. To decrease, knit 1 stitch, knit 2 together, knit 1 stitch, knit 2 stitches together. Now we come to our purl, and we purl 2 stitches together, purl 1, purl 2 stitches together, purl 1, and you continue all the way around. I have 26 stitches left, on the round, and now it's becoming quite a challenge to knit with. So I'm going to cut the yarn and sew the top. Place all stitches onto a sewing needle. Pull the thread through. Turn your beanie inside out. Gently pull tight. And one way to secure the top is to go through those stitches. You don't need to get all the stitches, you just need to get a few of them, and this will make this very strong. There you go, it's done. Fantastic. Secure your yarn and it's ready to go.